Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. With today I'm here to show you how you can download Lumi Crypto Bitcoin Wallet on your Android smartphone. First of all, what is Lumi Crypto Bitcoin Wallet? It is a secure and anonymous crypto wallet where no registration is needed and buying and selling or exchanging of crypto coins take place. First of all, do make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection on your Android smartphone. Then open up Play Store. After you open up Play Store, on the search bar, search for Lumi Crypto Bitcoin Wallet. And it is the first result that pops up. So tap on Lumi Crypto Bitcoin Wallet. As you can see, here is the install button. Tap on install and the app Lumi Crypto Bitcoin Wallet will be installed in your Android smartphone. It may take some time depending on your Wi-Fi connection. As you can see, Lumi Crypto Bitcoin Wallet has been installed in my smartphone. Now you can use this Bitcoin wallet to your advantage in buying, selling and exchanging different crypto coins. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Be sure to leave a like, comment down below on our video for reviews and similar content like this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more notification. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.